Hi, this is Lawrence Frontera, also known as a Punk with Toy on Instagram. Today we're going to go over the Masters of the Universe Origins, Evil-Lyn, and Fisto. And this is Wave 5. I think I'm doing things way out of order. I just got the box in. So I think I skipped 4. Actually, I skipped all of them and I just started doing this. Probably should do all the old figures, but I did it. Anyway, if you're interested, again, I did say it earlier, a Punk with Toys on Instagram. Give me a follow if you want to follow the toys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. But quickly, let's take a look at these figures and what we have with them. So first, we'll take a look at Fisto. There is our card art. Again, same as all the Origins figures. Again, brings back your feel of when you were a child. So, back art, which is absolutely wonderful. And you can see Jujutsu is there. Isn't that what his name was? Jujutsu? I forget exactly. But I'm pretty sure he's coming because this was one of the figures I had growing up. Actually, both of them were. And they were the arch rivals of each other. So I look forward to hopefully getting him as soon as possible. And there you have the other figures that are in Wave 5. Be Merman, Evil-Lyn, Fisto, and Fakor. And once again, it tells you, what it does and everything. Again, nice looking card. Brings back our nostalgia. It does come with Sucker Punch, the comic book. Again, throughout the comic book, it details the figures of the wave, which I don't know if that's what it did originally, but I actually like the idea that there's 4, in this wave, and each comic talks about those 4. Now, Fisto here, he does still come with the purple sword that I fully remember. The same articulation that all the Origins does. His fist, again, if I remember correctly, this actually seems smaller than what the original was. I could be wrong. I haven't been around a Fisto in quite some time. But the one thing you absolutely do lose is the punching power, which he used to punch. Now, in Origins, they have dropped a lot. Figures turn. They don't swing back, which I do believe the original He-Man did, or at least some of them did. But Fisto used to swing it back, and he would punch. Now, to be honest, this is actually better because I'm going to be displaying him. I'm not going to be really playing with him. So I can make it so he's punching, and it's not that his hand is always in the exact same spot as it was. But this is a really nice looking figure, in my opinion. I don't have too much to complain about. He has the plastic armor, which, if you remember, a lot of the He-Man figures, they had plastic armor that snapped together. They had the rubber ones that went around it. And so far, it seems like they're following lead with what they did. So, again, these figures, I've discussed them before. I really do like them. Again, they have enough points of articulation to play with. Better than the original, but not too much where you start worrying about things breaking. But you and your kids are going to be able to play with them. Kids are going to love them. So anyway, there is Fisto. There's a quick look at him. So now let's take a look at Evil-Lyn. So what some people may or may not know is that this is Evil-Lyn 2. So I had to do a little bit of research on it. I had looked into it, and it comes on the package, and it tells you that this is Masters of the Universe. So this is actually from this figure, and her color actually has to do with the 2002 Masters of the Universe movie. And I think we're getting a few of those figures from that line, whether it be with the Rise of Evo 2-pack, which is Keldor and Kronos. which is Trapjaw before, and Skeletor. And then you have another merman that came along, which is the Lords of Power. So this Evil-Lyn here is white, and I'm gonna grab the origins, both origins obviously, and you can see how yellow she is. You know, she has purple rather than blue, but it is the exact same sculpt. There is absolutely nothing different other than the color. Now, honestly, I think she does look better. Now, if you haven't seen the Masters of the Universe 2002, go out and take a look at it. Watch it. Now, how they follow the storyline, I'm not a huge Masters of the Universe fan that way, not like I was with G.I. Joe. But I think it does a real good job of explaining how Skeletor became Skeletor, including Hordak, all the people that he worked with, how they changed, because they all had a complete different look. So, here's your two Evil-Lyns. As you can see, they are the exact same, other than the color. So it's just a repaint, but it is nice that it is repainted, and it's done due to the Masters of the Universe line. Alright, and I guess I should have looked at the box art. Sometimes I get ahead of myself. Obviously, I'm not a professional at this. Anyway, Evil-Lyn. Again, looks the exact same. I don't even believe any of this changed. So I believe the front is actually the exact same, other than the new for 21. Now on the back here, you're going to get a different looking Triclops, which, again, I do believe he is from the Masters of the Universe 2002. Trapjaw looks the same. That merman is different. Alright, that is the new merman, Lord of Power. And then you have Stinkor, which is coming in next wave. Once again, the figures that you have in the line, her little orb, staff, whatever you want to call it, magic staff, and what she can do, which is the same as all the other things. Comes with the same comic, sucker punch. Alright? So anyway, if you don't want to have two Evil-Lyns, I understand. I actually want to put all these figures together to be how, you know, Skeletor's Horde was before he was Skeletor, when he was still Keldor. So I actually kind of like it. I like this one better than the yellow, but the yellow one is obviously going to give you your nostalgia. But there's nothing different. Again, they have real nice posability, especially for the females, which a lot of the female figures that we get in the Marvel lines, you know, their elbows aren't that good, but this is pretty much exactly what we're going to get and how it should be. Hands turn. Her staff, her hand is actually kind of small. It doesn't always stay in, it keeps popping out. I guess you could put it in the other hand. That hand actually seems like it would hold it better. Small little ankle rockers. Knees move. Now, she actually does turn. Let's see if I can get this to do it. If you turn it too much, and that's actually how it was when I came, her boot was straight. I actually thought that there's something wrong with her, because you can't bend it. You actually have to twist it back into place and twist the boot straight. Then her leg will bend the way that it's supposed to. But they both have the pegs, so if you have stands for the figures. Again, nice looking figure, as all the Motu Origins have been. But she is just a repaint. If you're not interested in the Masters of the Universe 2002, and you don't want that in a origin style figure. So, it's up to you. That's the comparison of the two. They're the exact same. Fisto, real nice mold. I really do like him. He was a favorite of mine when I was younger. A lot of it because he had just punched, and who didn't want to punch? But he's a nice looking figure. Like that. I think his fist is smaller, which I'm fine with. That's actually how it should be. He has his sword super long sword. I always kind of like that. This one doesn't seem to be as flimsy as the original, which is nice. If I remember correctly, the old one would actually start to bend, but I could be wrong. Maybe it was just a toy box that I had them in, but again, I really like this figure. And these things are just, I mean, if you want to customize figures, these things are made to pop things off super easy. So anyway, there you go. Review of Fisto and Evil-Lyn 2. This is wave 5. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Again, Instagram, A Punk with Toys. If you want to follow the toys that I buy, because I don't always do reviews on everything that I get. I'm mostly right now doing it on the Motu and obviously the G.I. Joe. I will do it on the gargoyles once the NECA gargoyles get here, because Goliath hopefully is going to be coming in a big bad toy soon, or I'll find him at Target. Either way, I want that big bad boy. Anyway, enough with my rambling on, which, as I have explained, I do. So anyway, thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a like, follow me, I appreciate it. Punk with Toys, and have a great night.